In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth skin in Fotor's AI photo editor and download your image. Start by opening your browser on your PC. In the address bar, type www.fotor.com and press enter. When the site loads, look for the option labeled AI Photo Editor and click it. This will open Fotor's editing workspace. On the main screen, select Upload Image. A file window will appear, letting you choose the photo you want to edit from your computer. Click your photo, then click Open, and give the editor a moment to load it. Once your image is on the canvas, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. Find and click the section labeled Beauty. This is where Fotor groups its portrait enhancement tools. Within Beauty, click Smoothing. You'll see a slider that controls how strong the smoothing is. Drag the slider to the right to soften the skin and reduce the appearance of texture. Go slowly and watch the face as you adjust. The goal is to even out the skin while keeping natural detail, so subtle changes usually look best. If you want to refine the result further, you can also click Blemish Fix or Wrinkle Remover, which sit alongside smoothing in the Beauty panel. These tools are helpful for isolated spots or lines that stand out after smoothing. Make small adjustments and check your progress as you go. If an area looks too soft or plastic, reduce the slider a bit. A natural-looking finish often comes from combining a light touch of smoothing with minimal targeted cleanup. Take a final pass over the image to make sure the skin looks balanced and consistent. Keep features like eyes, eyebrows, and lips crisp, which helps the portrait remain lifelike. If your photo includes more than one person, scan each face so the edits feel even. When you're happy with how it looks, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Download. A prompt will ask you to choose a file format. Select JPG if you want a smaller file that's great for sharing and everyday use. Choose PNG if you prefer a higher quality file or want to preserve more detail. After selecting your format, click Download again to save the edited image. Your browser will store it in your default downloads folder, ready to share or post. That's it. You've uploaded a photo, smoothed the skin using Fotor's AI tools, optionally refined with Blemish Fix or Wrinkle Remover, and downloaded your finished image.